10:19 here in Singapore. It's 10:19 here in Singapore, and I'm here in Changi Airport. I'm waiting for my departure at 12:10. So it's very early. I will roam around and take a video for you. This is Changi Airport. I'm hungry. I'm looking for a restaurant, and then I will eat for a while. My flight is at 12:10. And the Singapore Airlines to Manila. So it's F40. I'll go to F40. Not yet open. Not yet open, so I will roam around here. And it's Christmas time. I'm so excited. F40. I will go to F40. Oh, F40 is there. So this one is going to Terminal 1. So there's so many children playing. That is immigration. When you go to immigration, that one. So because I'm in F40, so I will go here. The arrow is there. F40. F42. So I will go here. F42. Yes. At 4 o'clock or 4 o'clock, I will arrive in Manila, and I will be busy because I have only 2 weeks holiday. So I will go here in gate F40, Singapore Airlines. So gate 30. We'll walk for maybe 8 minutes. Is it too early? Maybe I need to eat first. There's no... It's 11. Should board at 11. 11:10. 11:10. Philippine passport. 11:10. Oh, there's no more because just look, just a waiting area. So maybe I need to. I know already where to go. So I need to eat first. Have you submitted your SG arrival card? It's new one. Here, when you come here in Singapore. So I know already that my gate is here. I will go out first and will eat for a while because I'm very hungry. I have 4 kg hand carry. 4 went to kg, and then I have my handbag. So where is the restaurant or the coffee shop? These are all perfumes here. So I'll go back again. Go back and I will just... It's up to 7 minutes going to my gate. So I should be there at 11:10 because it's loading right. need to be early. Oh my gosh, my shoulder is painful already. I get it very heavy. It's very heavy bag. The toilet is there. Tapos, inspection. Yay! Oh my god, my bag is very heavy. You know, I have notes. I have 2 wallets. 2 wallets for coins and bills. Or maybe I need to eat somewhere free fasting. Boost. I need to go here and drink something. Or eat something. What's this? It's just a juice. Oh, Dunkin' Donut. It's sweet, not allowed to me. Here, fruits, early morning fruits. Maybe I'll eat breakfast first. Dunkin' Donut. The pizza is so big. We'll try donut very early, sweet. So maybe I will just eat donut for a while for sweets. I'm craving for sweets. You see? Oh, what you like here? Or maybe I just like Mr. Happy. Oh, glaze only. Good morning. Can I have one glaze? Yes, one glaze only. I will forget this. Here first. Jesus.
240.
I have Singapore money for food. I'm so excited. Hello everyone. I'm going to the Philippines for Christmas.
Hello.
It's only 2:40. So I have changed the gift 5. I will eat for a while because I eat only small amount this morning. So I will go to something and then I will buy Dunkin' Donut in my heavy bag. Then I will order the tea or I want to buy Boost smoothies, juices. It's healthy. Dunkin' Donut. Or maybe I like Boost Energy. All fruits. Most popular. It's the most popular. Maybe I will just drink water. This is coconut. This is not food. I will go for a while. It's preparing. So I have hand carry. So I have handbag.
Sa mama ko eh.
have a Coke? Thank you. How much?
How is the apple juice, please? Second one is the watermelon. Second one,
Lunch. I will eat lunch also inside.
Okay, take it. You can take the one. Just leave it there. Take it.
This one, coconut.
That's all we got. Thank you.
Look for I look for a place to sit down and relax. Once we need occupied here. Here, you see this place. There's charging point here. So there's some things because later I will forget. 10:32. I have 30 minutes to... Hello, good morning. I'm here in Changi Airport. Today is cloudy day. I don't know if in the Philippines it's raining or what. Let's eat the every all-time favorite Dunkin' Donut. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for watching. That's it. I consider the F31 and F32. I don't have enough sleep last night. Wow, United Airlines. That's it, guys. I haven't eaten Dunkin' Donut for a long time already. Because it's so sweet, but now I need sweets for a while. I'm in a hurry so that I can relax there. $11:10 is the boarding time. 11:10 to make it sure. Where's that will not be bored? I'm here in Changi Airport now. Where is it? There. Good airline. need to finish this before I not put also. In the Philippines, coconut is very expensive, maybe 35 pesos. Oh, but it's okay, 35 pesos is $1 in Singapore. But when you're in the Philippines, 35 pesos is expensive already. So sweet. My bag is garbage already. So today my bag is heavy because I bring this one, where my notes this one. And Rich, I'll show you. Yeah. Oh no, I cannot see. No more already. Oh, very slow. And this one, it's very heavy. This one, the bag is heavy because I bring so many things, especially the things, the documents right now. Things, then my papers. So cheers. Cheers to life. Merry Christmas. The clouds raining here in Singapore. Hindi the cloud, cloudy. I hope there's no rain in the Philippines so that's easy for me to book. But anyway, I will arrive at my home maybe 45 minutes without traffic. But if there's traffic, maybe less than 2 hours. So my arrival is 3:45. Then go to immigration. I will claim my luggage, and then my daughter will just book me Grab because they have company Christmas party, so cannot fetch me, but it's okay. Anyway, I don't want also to fetch, and then it will be when I go back. I don't want anybody to be with me because it's hard to walk home. Oh my God. OFW life. Relate ang mga Pilipino. Ubusin ko na to. I will just drink this 500 ml. Oh, you will see how the Philippines look like after 11 months. Because last December I go home also. Every Christmas I go home. Spend my Christmas time in the Philippines for only 2 weeks. That's why sometimes I'm very stressed because time is not enough. Other relatives will complain, oh, why don't visit me? When you go home, and then why you don't come visit me or like that. I prioritize the important things to do. So I bring also this one. Oh my God, the red market. Okay. Time to go now because I don't want to rush. Leave this other open. I hope when I come back to Singapore I have more energy again to start my new year. because it's called the coast of okay, where's the garbage? There. Ice. So, garbage is there.
Your attention please, the departure gate for Singapore Airlines Flight Rescue 900 to Cebu has been changed. Gate D40 in Terminal 2. Departure gate for Singapore Airlines Flight Rescue 900 to Cebu has been changed to gate D40 in Terminal 1. Singapore Airlines Flight Rescue 900 to Cebu will depart from gate D40 in Terminal 1.
I'm to Manila.
Departure gate for Singapore Airlines Flight Rescue.
I'm to Manila. So I will go here.
1562 Bang has been changed to gate F35.
Go here.
Departure
10:42
gate for Singapore
already.
Airlines Flight Rescue 1562 Bang has been changed to gate
I
F35.
will go to F. The way I showed you before. I'm checking my things, sorry. My phone is moving and moving. Go back again to where I will bring actually because there's 7 minutes. Very nice. You will like. So it takes so long, it's over 25 minutes, so bye for now. Thank you for watching me in Changi Airport. Happy watching. Have a good day everyone. God bless. Thank you.